What's going on, guys? Garetz here, and in this video, not only am I going to show you what high-ticket affiliate marketing is and how it works, but I'm also going to show you what my main high-ticket affiliate marketing program is and how I made over $13,000 in the last 30 days with it without even spending a single dollar on ads. So you're definitely going to want to watch the entire video so you don't miss out on anything, and make sure to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Let's get into the video. All right, so before we get into the meat and potatoes of this video, I just want to prove to you that these results aren't fake, because unfortunately there are a lot of these fake gurus out there faking their results. And I just want to show you that this ain't that.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
And as you can see, this is the back office of the affiliate program I'm a part of, and these are my total commissions. These are the same commissions I put up on that screenshot at the beginning. And something that a lot of these fake gurus will do is there's a few different things. They'll either like show a screenshot, but it will be like a fake picture or like photoshopped or like someone else's results. Or what they'll do is they'll go into like the coding of the website and edit it, right? So as you can see, this isn't a screenshot. This is actually like a website. And what happens is if you refresh the page after you edited the code, it will go back to normal. So this is at 198, 1,015, 3,700, 13,450, 30,000. All right, I'm going to refresh it right here. I'm not going to edit anything. I am going to blur out the stuff at the bottom so you can't see people's information. But as you can see right here, 198, 1,015, 3,700, 13,450. All right, so this is legit. But I do want to give a disclaimer because this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. These results are not typical because you have to put in really hard work. And unfortunately, so many people get into this and think like they're just going to get rich overnight without doing any work. But that's not what this is. I mean, you got to put in hard work, but you can make results for yourself if you're willing to put in that work. Now, if you got to this video and you have like no idea what affiliate marketing or high ticket affiliate marketing is, I want to explain that first before we get into the rest of it. So what it is high ticket affiliate marketing is a part of the affiliate marketing business model where you sell high ticket products, basically bigger products with a higher price tag. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, that's just where you promote other companies' products. And for example, Amazon has an affiliate program. And all that means is you can promote their products, and then every time someone purchases through your special link called an affiliate link, you earn a commission. So basically, being an affiliate marketer is just like being a middleman, right? You just promote other people's products and you make a commission. And it's super powerful because you don't have to deal with the things like normal businesses. Like you don't have to buy ads. Well, I guess you can, but that's not what I do. We'll get into that later. But you don't have to pay for things like customer support. You don't have to pay for things like returns, chargebacks, none of that stuff. All you have to do is find a product or a program, become an affiliate, send people or traffic to it, and you earn commissions every time someone buys. It's literally that simple. So that's what affiliate marketing is, and that's how it works in simplest terms, right? But now, the main high-ticket affiliate program I promote is right here. So it's called Legendary Marketer. And the problem with a lot of people getting into affiliate marketing is there's just so many products and programs out there, and it's really tough to figure out which ones are the best. And in my experience, after a lot of trial and error, this is by far the best one. And the problem with most of these high-ticket affiliate programs out there is you have to like get on the phone or sell people on these $1,000 to $3,000 programs all by yourself. And it's really hard to sell people on these higher ticket programs, especially if you're not willing to get on the phone with them. But with Legendary Marketer, if I click on this challenge right here, this is their front end product. It's a 15-day challenge that costs $7. And this isn't just some run-of-the-mill garbage product. This product is more valuable than some of the $1,000 courses I've gotten, literally. And all you have to do is send traffic to this $7 challenge, which is much easier to sell than a high ticket product. And Legendary Marketer gets on the phone and closes all of your leads for you. And you don't have to pay them extra money for doing that. Legendary Marketer takes care of all of that for free. It's absolutely insane. And I can honestly say that being an affiliate for Legendary Marketer, it absolutely changed my life forever. When I first started online, I started with dropshipping. It's like building an online store and selling products from China. And I had to learn how to do Facebook ads. I spent thousands of dollars learning that, and I actually got some sales. But after making about $2,000 and spending about $1,800 on advertisement, I ended up not even making money because I had to pay for product costs, shipping, returns, chargebacks, all these things. And that's when I started seeing like other business models out there. So after quitting dropshipping, I got into affiliate marketing. And that was about a little over a year ago now. And in the first 6 months of starting with affiliate marketing, I was like, I'm going to take it serious. Literally, I spent over $10,000 on mentorship, courses, all this stuff, trying to figure things out. And it literally did nothing. The first 6 months, I made no money at all. And towards the end of that, I discovered Legendary Marketer. But even with that, I made my first couple sales with Legendary. But they were just for the small challenge, right? So I had probably made 15, 20 bucks at this point. And I was just like laying on my bed feeling absolutely defeated. And I was just like laying there, and I had just like come to terms with the fact that I failed online. I wasn't ever going to make any real money. I was just going to have to work a job for the rest of my life that I absolutely hated. But then it happened. As I was laying there, I opened up my phone, I checked my email, and I had a commission email from Legendary Marketer. But the thing is, you can't see the amount. You can just see, congratulations, you made a sale, right? So I just figured someone else bought another challenge or whatever. That's cool. I wasn't, I didn't really care. I was in such a terrible mood. But I clicked that email and I opened it up, and it was $1,000 commission. Like, I couldn't believe it. I was in shock. Like, this literally couldn't have came at the better time. I was giving up. I had given up in my mind. And I couldn't tell you how quickly I jumped off that bed. I was so excited. I literally almost shit my pants. I'm not even kidding. I was that excited. I can't explain the feeling I had, but it was amazing. And as you can see, I mean, the rest is history from there. But trust me, it hasn't all been rainbows and butterflies since then. Because I had wasted so much money on all this stuff, I was like, I'm doing this on my own. I don't need anyone else. So I had to figure it all out on my own with a lot of trial and error. And I truly regret not taking another chance and investing in another program or another mentor, because it was tough. It was very tough. Luckily, the mentor I did have did help push me to do YouTube, which is something I always wanted to do. So although the mentoring itself wasn't great, I am still grateful for that, for sure. Because luckily for me, it ended up being that YouTube is by far the best platform for promoting Legendary Marketer as an affiliate. And really, any business, YouTube is probably the best for. It's just dope because when I was doing dropshipping, I had all those costs, right? But with affiliate marketing on YouTube, I mean, my profit margins are basically 100%. And I literally get sales coming in every day on autopilot because of free YouTube videos I created months and even a year ago. And like I said, Legendary Marketer does all the heavy lifting for me. They get on the phone with my leads that I send to them. They close them on the high ticket products. And I get $1,000 commission emails so often now, I don't even really get excited. Now, that doesn't mean I'm not grateful. Trust me. Because I remember when I first started looking at these people making all this money on the leaderboards and feeling like I would never be there, right? And now I am. And trust me, that's just the tip of the iceberg. I'm forever grateful for so many reasons. Because if you don't know my story, just 5 years ago, I was a homeless, broken drug addict. I mean, I survived 13 overdoses and accidents I should have never survived. And I'm grateful for that. And today, fast forward to today, I'm almost 5 years sober today. And I just found out that I'm going to be a father. Not only that, but I have a successful business, and I just quit my job to go full-time with my business. And it's all thanks to Legendary Marketer and YouTube. So if you want to get started with Legendary and learn how to do the same, click the first link in the description. But if you're interested in using YouTube as your traffic method and you want me to teach you step by step exactly how I've done everything, walk you through it, and reveal all my secrets, click the second link in the description or go to highticketyt.com and apply to my beta program. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button and that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you want to learn more about Legendary Marketer, you can click the video on the screen right now to see my full Legendary Marketer review where I go much more in depth. But that's all I got. See you on the next video.